Cumin. Cumin is one of the oldest cultivated spices and is now the second most popular spice in the world after black pepper. Today it is used in a vast variety of foods from around the world, as an ingredient in chili powder from Texan or Mexican style foods, and various curries from the Asia, Middle East, North America and Chinese cooking, and South America cooking, and even in Dutch cheese. Cumin is the dried seed of the herb Cucuminum sebium, which is a member of the parsley family. A single seed is found within the herb's fruit and is a small oblong-shaped seed that is yellow-brown in color. For cooking, it can be used either as a whole herb or spice, or is often ground into powder, so it can be mixed in other spices. Cumin was a popular spice and medical plant in Old Egypt, and today cumin is still very popular in Indian cuisine and Indian herbal medicine. The Romans imported spices from Egypt, and cumin was used in the same way we now use black pepper. Cumin used to symbolize greed, which is why the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius was nicknamed Cominius. Where to buy cumin? Virtually any grocery store or supermarket will have cumin in their spice section. How to take cumin? It can be eaten straight up by the teaspoonful or taken in convenient capsule form. Best to follow the recommended dose on a label, which is typically between 1 and 3 teaspoons per day. If you're trying it for the first time, start with half a teaspoon per day and gradually work your way up. Keep in mind, potency and serving size may vary depending on the brand, so always read your labels carefully. Cumin weight loss recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 glasses of water, 1 tablespoon of honey. How to prepare? In a saucepan, add water and cumin seeds. Bring the water to a boil. Put the flame on sim and allow the cumin seeds flavor to be absorbed into the water for about 5 minutes. Switch off the flame. Add the strained water into a glass. Add honey and stir well. Consume on an empty stomach or after meals. Benefits: cumin has the potential for helping to lose weight because of a unique active ingredient, thymoquinone, a naturally occurring chemical that has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Thymoquinone can target free radicals in your body, assisting your body in cleansing itself of toxins. Cumin helps your cells respond to insulin and glucose, which keeps your blood sugar stable. Over time, the effects of cumin can work together with a healthy diet and exercise to decrease fat deposits and reduce inflammation in your body. When everything works together, you may notice that any symptoms of bloating, swelling, and fatigue are decreased when you consume cumin. In herbal medicine, the black cumin extract benefits are said to be anti-hypertensive, reduces blood pressure, carminative, bloats, flectorants, prevents bloating and gasiness, and anti-parasitic. Because of that, it is sometimes included in colon cleansers. Precaution: chronic consumption of cumin can have some side effects, including the increased risk of bleeding, respiratory complications, and dermatitis. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, as well as patients with respiratory diseases or ulcer, must take caution when using it. Also, it interferes with some medications such as antibiotics, anti-seizure, anti-diabetic, and anti-inflammatory agents, so it must be prescribed by a physician. Before you add this plant to your diet, you should speak to your healthcare provider to be sure cumin is safe for you.